This could be the greatest truck release all year long. The Arrma Gorgon. We're back to take it another drive. 3S brushless 3800 kV. Let's go. Here it is. 3800 kV motor. Got a 4S ESC. I believe that's a 4S ESC. It might be a 6S. I think it's just a 4. GT5 radio. Otherwise, the thing is stock. And yeah, I realize. I mean, it does have the stock servo, right? So anyways, let's get this thing going and go do some backflips or something. Oh, can't even see it up there. Love it. This thing, incredible. On wheels? Am I on wheels? Yes. I'm almost stuck though. Yes. You know, I get some fresh sand or fresh dirt, I gotta hit it, right? Where am I at? Yeah. All right, I got a little bump right here I want to hit. And now I want to see if I can do that again. Nope. Man, all right, I'm gonna get that again. I got to. Oh, almost. I can get it again. I'm gonna get it. Maybe not. Oh well, let's go hit something else. I can't hit my new figure 8 all the way right here because I'm doing a little bit of work on the jump. Get that all set up, but this other jump might be good to go. God! Oh! I got so much stuff tore up on the track right now. I can get that. Oh! All right, let me get this thing turned around. Hope I don't get stuck. No! Ha! Got it that way. Oh! Oh! That would be bad. Whew, get your butt down. This thing is awesome. Dude, it almost seemed like it might could have got a triple. Nope, not gonna get a triple. Well, that was just not what I wanted. Yeah. I'm gonna try to hit that at full speed. Oh! God, I have caved in the body on both sides. I went up that on top. Oh my gosh. All right, I went up that thing on the lid. Oh man, I get that thing way out here. Man. Oh. If there is an issue with this thing, it's with the body just caving in on itself. I finally ripped the body too. So maybe doing some gluing on that, but finally, but man, this has been a rough one. I want to get this up full speed if I can. God. Wow. Double backflip off of this. And I landed all the way out here by where the black dirt is. It's stuck. I guess I'm gonna be due to get a body for this thing. Wow, I got a double backflip right off of that. Yeah, the body has seen better days. But I think we got one more backflip in it. One more, right? One more backflip. It looks like we maybe got two more backflips. Actually, I'm gonna hit the brakes and see if I can front flip off of this thing. Well, not sort of. Ooh, side hits are the worst. Okay, one more time and I'm done. Never mind, I missed it. I'm gonna come across over here. I was trying for a front flip, but I chickened out. Well, the body's all the way gone now. Oh, one more thing. And another insane run with the best vehicle release of the year. I'm telling you guys, this thing's awesome. Okay, now the body obviously needs some work. Man, I was coming by and I was throttled it. That thing went up the ramp backwards on its lid. That was amazing. Okay, but I got to glue and tape and somehow patch this body back together or order a new one. I'm just going to glue it back together because chances are good I want to rip it apart again. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This thing put more power to it. It's amazing. I'm going to have to come up with that wheelie bar. I believe one of you guys mentioned there's another model with a wheelie bar that'll fit this. So I kind of need to get a hold of that thing. But anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hope you check that description out. Use those links. Hit that subscribe. Ring that bell. And I want you all to have an absolutely fantastic day. Seriously. Guys, you made it to the end. This is awesome. Thank you so much. You guys making it to the end of the video means so much to me. I mean, for real. Consider joining, becoming a member for just $2 a month. That's the cheapest way to go. In the description are affiliate links, eBay, Amazon. You guys know all the stuff on that. But yeah, guys, it means a lot that you're here and you're listening to this right now. And I want you to have a great day.